You guys. Hello, you guys. It's me. It's me, Okay. So, on the rainy days, I found out it was raining pretty hard. And I found out today I forgot about my pigs. And I was like, how are the pigs? Are they okay? I was freaking out a little bit. And then now, when I came back home, when I came back from school, I found out they were just okay. And here they are. So my big pig hasn't got wet that much because she stayed in here and then made her pool. Hi, Missy. And my little pig got a little wet and he got into the mud. Hey, dude, come here. You see, he got a little wet and muddy. Hi, dude. What's up? So you got a little wet. What's up? So his name is Mister because the owner of the big pig named her Missy. And for the other one, even though the little one's a boy, we named her Mister. We named him Mister. So they're both okay. Yeah. We used to have a pool for her. Now we destroyed it because now she has a muddy pool. Yeah. Well, that's why I wanted to show you. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded my videos because I've been animating stuff and I've been doing homework when I got back from school. If I do animations while doing homework and if I get caught, my mom will kill me. So I'm sorry I didn't upload stuff. But yeah, that's all for today. See ya, my peeps.